Okay. Hello everyone, this is just a statement slash hopefully I help somebody. This is a Mitsubishi 3-liter 6V 24 valves, and let's see, let me move that way so I can see how it looks. Yep, an engine like this. Yes, this is a galant. Yes, what happened is we have a crank no start condition. In fact, we did have good timing initially when I first checked it, but after cranking for a while and checking for spark and fuel, we tested with starting fluid, and then we plug a test light for spark plugs, and strangely my more like my fifth attempt of checking the timing, just to check it, there's marking here, this timing mark right here should align with this one, right? But the problem was, after every single time I match the timing down here, down at the bottom, you can always guarantee, for some reason, that there's 5 teeth marks away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every time we rotate it, it would be 5 teeth marks away, and that's not normal. So we come down here and we look. Initially it was a power steering serpentine belt that broke, and but there was no crank no start condition, and so we have to find an issue, and we found that this tensioner, as I show you, seems to have loosened a bit. So if you look here at the tensioner, you see right here, it's got a little loosened, a little gap between it. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. It got a little gap in it, and we're gonna stick this pin in it and test it. So let me find the angle. Alright, so we're gonna take this. Well, we just have a nail right here. It's just a nail. So I'm gonna stick it in here and test it out for y'all to see. And nope, it doesn't go through. Let me wiggle it just a bit. So now we have our current issue. It may just be the issue the whole time, where the timing just slipped. Where these things this mess right here allows it and helps it to slip, but also we can see that the tension on it's gone, or is much looser than it should be. So we won't have correct timing, and it must have been slipping the whole time I was checking the time. We feel like we might need to check the crank sensor as well, but for now, this crank no start situation is definitely lost timing is not helping. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, if you look carefully, very carefully, let me see if I can angle this. there. You look carefully right here. See that timing mark right there? It's like a little line. It's a little metal piece that sticks out. Let me move this piece of garbage out the way. Alright. So, back there, let me see, right here. That is the timing mark. And we actually have this situation lined up. But as you saw at the top, is 5 teeth marks away. That's just a sign of slipping, slip timing. Or slipping or whatnot.